So next up, and I want to set this up really careful because a lot of work went into it, and then there's a lot more work remaining on this one too. We talked about the connected digital experience. And all of us, to some extent, have experienced it, maybe in a storefront or maybe on one of those devices. What we wanted to do today is my IoT team is going to come and take you guys through a full journey of a customer, right from an omni-channel campaign all the way to checkout process and the backend, importantly, the backend applications. And I wanted you guys to look at what does it mean? What does it mean to us? What does it mean to redefining the performance and monitoring as we know it? So without much description there, I want to invite Balwinder Kaur. She's our senior principal architect here.
So the Internet of Things is disruptive, very, very disruptive. And we don't really need to go into another era of technology to understand what disruption means. So just for giggles, how many people in the audience are carrying a BlackBerry or Nokia device on them today?
I'm watching. One.
It's
two.
OK. We're in Vegas.
Where's Jeremy?
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. We can admit it. How many people have a smartwatch or an Alexa at home? You get the point. We have no choice but to meet this disruption head on. So let's see what the IoT team has been hard to work at.
Right.
Let's go to our favorite retail store, AppDy of San Francisco. It's a connected retail store. And I'm going to show you 3 connected devices. First off is a smart shell. As you can tell, the team has built it from its superior interior design. It has a digital price tag where the campaign manager can change the price with the click of a button. It also detects proximity of a customer. And when an item has been taken from the shelf, it senses that as well. It's powered with an Intel Edison board, running technology that we built in-house. It's running a very lightweight Java agent, about 1/5 of the size of the APM agent that we all love. It's talking in real time to our backend controller and event services. Next here, we have a commercially available smart point of sale system. It's running Android 4.4, and we have instrumented it with our generally available mobile Android RUM product. Of course, it talks to the payment system, but it also updates the AppDy inventory system when an item has been purchased and is leaving the store. We go from the retail section into the warehouse. We have an automated inventory management system. It's an RFID reader powered with an Intel Edison board and is running technology that we have built in-house, a C agent, very lightweight, less than 100 kilobytes. It is also talking in real time to our backend systems. So why is the Internet of Things so challenging? It's because these devices have their own personalities and quirks. They're small, constrained devices, low power, low memory, low compute, and sporadic connectivity. But there's a couple of things that they do different. Altogether, there are going to be 1 billion of such devices by 2020. And together, they will generate zettabytes of data. Yes, I checked. Zettabyte is a word. And it's 10 to the power 21. So, Pratap, are we ready for a live demo?
No, I love it. I could buy a ticket for this demo. I've been waiting. I know you guys have been working hard, so let's do it.
The moment of truth.
Let's do it.
So before we start, let's take a look at the dashboards. The first circle shows the customers detected by the smart shelf. As we can see, it's showing 400 customers. The second one is the items taken from the smart shelf. It shows 200 items. When an item is purchased from the smart point of system, that circle gets updated in real time. It's $5,000 right now. And the final is the inventory in the store at $100. So you know how millennials hate to go into the store for shopping? Well, guess what? The campaign manager just sent out a 50% in-store coupon for these classy headphones. And let's welcome to the stage product manager turned savvy millennial customer, Jennifer Lee.
Woohoo.
Let's follow her experience through the store.
There she is. Busy typing.
Hello. OK.
She totally ignored you, Balwinder.
Teenagers at home, millennials at work. Life is good. So she's looking. Do you think she's going to buy it?
I don't know. She already has a headset. We can hear her music.
Yeah, maybe she is. Oh, is she going to drop it?
She liked something there.
Yeah, and she's doing a self-checkout.
Let's see. Right. There it is.
Oops, we know her PIN now.
We may have to text her to change it after.
Would she listen?
I don't know. We'll see.
OK. Oh.
Oh, it's a selfie checkout.
It's a selfie checkout.
Great. Oh, there she is. That's a great product. Great.
So what do you think?
I think we at least have one happy customer.
Excellent.
Right?
But let's go into the warehouse. So today, the warehouse manager is our product manager, AJ. AJ, what's happening in the warehouse today?
Hi, Balwinder. Looks like we are doing pretty well in our stores. I just got an alert that we are selling out items out of our AppDynamics stores, so I can restock them from our inventory. So I'll take these items and scan them using the RFID tags that they have on them. So let's try to do that. And there you go. You should see all these changes in your dashboard, so you're updated.
So let's look. In real time, the customer number has changed from 400 to 401, 201 items taken, the order purchased, and the inventory in the store has changed, all in real time.
And by the way, for a back-end guy, really dapper-looking store manager.
Yes.
Yeah? For a warehouse guy, right?
Uh-huh.
Good job. So we got the updates here, and that's a very happy and healthy customer store.
Absolutely.
How about the rest of the stores? How is the AppDynamics chain doing today?
I think the best person to answer that question is the engineer on the team and CIO of AppDynamics, Vasu.
Oh, there he is.
Hi, Pratap.
Hey, Vasu. Looking good?
Great. Thank you.
So how's the day in the life of CIO today? How's the campaign going?
I think it's going great. I'm looking at the San Francisco store. We just had great sales there. This is the first time we are doing an omni-channel promotional campaign to attract our customers to stores. You know how challenging it is to get digital millennials to store today.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
So let's go ahead and look at the data across all our stores in California and see how we are doing our promotional campaign. So this is the data that is aggregated across all our stores in California. We did a $500,000 sales, which is pretty good. There is a good uptick in the number of customers. I see there is a health alert on an inventory, which is a good thing, which means that we are running out of items fast. And I'm sure our inventory managers are hard at work to replenish the stock.
And those are real-time numbers?
Yes.
You know, whether it is the customer's movement in the store or items movement and checkout, that's real-time roll-up?
Exactly. So all the connected tech across all our stores are sending the data in real time. And this dashboard is aggregating all the data into one single dashboard.
You know, I was hearing a lot about yesterday from Kendall and Amod about this business IQ stuff.
Yeah.
Now, as you communicate today during the campaign with your marketing counterparts and campaign guys, how do you guys go about that? How do you share data?
Yeah, so the data that you're seeing here is great data, but there are individual data points, right? What is of real interest is the correlation across these data points, right? So one of the key metrics to measure the business value of a physical store is conversion rate. How many customers did you attract to a store, and how many of them actually made a purchase, right? So let's go ahead and look at how our conversion rates are across all our stores, right? So this funnel is tracking the customer journey of when they come into our stores and when they go through our connected store. So it's telling me that around 12,000 customers came to our store. Of them, 9,000 visited our smart shelf, 7,000 picked up the item, and 6,000 purchased it. So the total conversion rate is 48%, which is much better than last year. I'm really happy.
You know, I'm not in the retail business, but that number looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I have a quick question before you go. So I've seen this type of funnels that my marketing friends use. What's different about this funnel?
Yeah, so the funnel that you have seen yesterday is actually tracking the digital experience of our customers when they visit AppDY online store.
I see.
It tells me like how many visitors came to home page, went to login page, added an item to the cart, and checked out. What is unique about the dashboard that you're seeing today is it's actually tracking the physical shopping experience of the customers. If you combine this with the tracking digital experience, that gives us full visibility into the business, both in online and offline mode.
I see, kind of connected from the mobile to the browser to the store.
Yes.
That's great. Thank you, Mr. CIO.
Thank you.
Guys, what do we think about the IoT demo? Great. So that's good. Good job, Vasu. Thank you.